Window after window after window after floor to ceiling windows. It never ends in this apartment. It's just flat out gorgeous. Look at this. Just amazing. This is a perfect Houston high rise apartment for you. This is just the start. Then take a look at all this, the space that's in here. You could have so many folks over. You could have just in this setup alone, you've got 6, 10, 15, 14, 15 seats in here, and that's just inside, and that's just what we see here. You could have 15, easily 20 people, easily 15, and up to maybe even 20 people on this beautiful apartment. Look at this kitchen, the kitchen with this island. Everything is new. It's just very recently built. The perfect details, all the white cabinets, the really crisp clear countertops, the quartz. This has it all. It really, really does. And the availability is here for you in this floor plan. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. This is just from the back. I just love all the windows here, and your friends and your guests and that special someone is going to love this view. This is a 2-bedroom. It's the Autumn at Aspire. Do you have any questions about this? Here's what I want you to do. There's a number below. It's my number. It's my personal cell phone number. By the way, it's not a computer or anything or software. Send in a request to me and just say, hey, Grant, I'm looking in Houston. I like what I'm seeing with your videos, and I like your energy, by the way, too. And I want to work with you. I want to find my perfect place in Houston, my perfect high-rise apartment. Hey, I'll get right with you. I'll help you immediately. We'll start chatting, and then we'll find your perfect place very, very soon. By the way, it could be this place. We're happy to also look at other options and just check out the best for you and find that absolutely perfect place for you, and we will. Hey, we're going to shoot another video in here in just a moment, and I think you're going to like it, so stay tuned for another one.